it is December, that means Christmas month, and Christmas fever is about to on, but it has already started at Artistic Bake. Hi, this is Aarti Gupta here. I welcome you all to the beautiful world of Artistic Bake, and I'm back with a beautiful Christmas recipe. We are going to learn a cheesy, bubbly Christmas bread like this. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So we need flour, instant yeast, sugar, salt, milk powder, warm water, cheese blend, pizza seasoning, red chili flakes, milk for milk wash, oil. Let's begin with the process. So first we will mix all the dry ingredients. So in goes my flour, in goes my yeast, sugar, milk powder. Now we will mix these ingredients and then we will add the salt. Mix this and now we will add water and prepare a dough. So now while adding the water, be very gradual and start making the dough. So now you can see we have formed a soft sticky dough. And now we will transfer this dough on a flat surface and we will start the kneading process. So we will knead the dough with the help of oil and we will knead it in a stretch and fold method until we get a smooth texture of the dough. This will take about 5 minutes. So now you can see the dough has started coming together nicely and it is not at all sticking to my hands. So now what I will do is, I will tuck the sides in the center and I will turn it upside down and pinch it like this and turn it and form it into a smooth soft ball. So my dough is ready. So we will line our tray with parchment paper and keep it ready. And we will divide our dough into 25 grams ball. So here we have 25 balls of 25 grams. So now we will stuff each balls with cheese. So for stuffing, we will take one ball and we will spread it all over like this. And we will take it in our palm. And we will take the cheese and stuff the cheese as much as possible in the center. And then we will pinch close the ball. And we will turn it upside down and smooth it out. So now I will prepare all the balls in the same manner and I will line it on the tray. So as you can see, we have done stuffing of all the balls, and you can see we are at the wider part of the tray and we have made a Christmas tree, and now we are left with the stem part. So here I have 4 balls left and few cheese left. So now I will prepare a stem out of it. So I will mix this two balls in one, and I will make it one. And I will stuff the cheese and pinch close it. And form it into a log. So here you can see I have 2 logs. So now what I will do is I will pinch the starting portion and I will twist this, and I will also pinch the edge, and I will place it exactly in the center. Like this. So once our cheese stuffed Christmas rolls are ready, we will milk wash it. So now I will keep my dough for proofing until it is doubled in size. Our bread has doubled in size, and I have also kept my oven for preheating at 200 degrees with both the rods on, and now we will milk wash our bread. After milk washing our bread, now we will add some pizza seasoning on top of it. So here you can see our bread is nicely seasoned and ready to go inside the oven. So let's bake it for 20 minutes or unless it gets a good brown top. Here you can see our cheesy Christmas tree bread is out of the oven. So now we will apply some room temperature butter on top of it so that the crust can get softened. And we also can get a shine on our cheesy bread. So once you have applied butter on the bread, now we will cover it with a cloth and keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open it up and have a look on the softness of the bread. So here you can see the softness of the bread. Come closer and have a look on the texture of the bread. So here you can see the texture of the bread and the cheesy goodness. Ooh. Ooh. You can see the steaming hot cheesy bread. See the stringy cheese. Let's have a bite in it. Super soft and super yummy. It's a delicious treat for this Christmas for your guests. Do try it this Christmas season and let me know how did it turn out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down on our videos. Till then, see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.